So when most people think of job servicing, the only thing they tend to think of is that you need to find a cheap service in one platform and list it for a little bit more price on a different platform and just skip the difference. But in this video, I will show you why that is wrong and how you can actually make more money by doing job servicing. And this is coming from someone who used to do job servicing full time, so I do know some things about it. And just in case you need a little bit more understanding of what job servicing actually is, well, basically it's like service arbitrage or something that is extremely similar to drop shipping. So for example, you find someone who provides graphics design services for $10 and then you sell it for $50 or $70. So keep watching the video until the end, because I will show you step by step how you can achieve similar results as I've had. And if you like this type of videos, give us a massive like so I can keep sharing with you the latest strategies on making money online. And if you want to know my favorite way to make thousands of dollars per month, click on the first link on the description and I will send you all the information to your email address. So in today's strategy, I'm going to show you a way which is called job servicing that is gonna make you a lot of money. I'm gonna show you what other people are doing wrong, and I will show you exactly what you have to do in order to do it right. So make sure that you keep watching until the end of the video to don't miss out. So job servicing, this is how it works. Basically, a client will need a service that is willing to pay certain amount of money, and then your business, which will be the job servicing business, then it will allow you to sell this service that to the client and make a profit. Okay, so you will get it for some price and then you will actually sell it from a different price so you can make some profit. And then the people that will do the work, it will be somebody else, which will be a service provider, which I'm gonna show you how you will be able to find them. Okay, so it's very simple, but you have to make sure that you do it right, because what most of the people do is like they will go to a website like Fiverr, and then for example, let's say that this graphic design service is doing a gig for $10. They will get the $10. This will be the person that actually does the work for them. Okay, and then they will go to a different website, which for example, let's say people per hour. Okay, and then they will sell this graphic design service for a more expensive price, let's say double, $20. The problem with that way of doing this is like the profit that you're going to make for doing this service for your client is not gonna pay you a lot of money if you do it this way. Okay, so what you need to do in order to make more money and make thousands of dollars per month is, first of all, you need to get a domain for your business. Okay, you want to create an agency, and then branding is something that is very important for any business. So you can come here and then you can type whichever industry will be of your business, right? But let's say for example that you are an agency and provide Instagram services. Okay, so you could do some type of find like a cool name for your Instagram agency, and I'm gonna show you how you can charge thousands of dollars. So for example, the client, let's say that the client will pay you $5,000. Okay, so then you could provide something for the client that could be, let's say that you're doing the YouTube channel, you could provide them with 15 YouTube videos. That could be one of the deals. Okay, so you could do it for Instagram, you could do it for YouTube. So for example, if you do it for Instagram, then they could pay you $5,000 for you managing the whole Instagram, making sure that they get more followers, they get more likes, and so on. But if you do it for YouTube, right, let's say that you provide 15 videos to them for $5,000, that means that you're gonna need to hire a voice artist, you're gonna need to hire a video editor, and then you're gonna need to hire a graphic designer. So this way of doing it is actually gonna be a little bit more, I would say it's gonna take you more organization on your end, because there are so many different things that you need to do. It's doable for sure, but that means that you need to put an ad and then get someone For the voice artist services as well, you need to have a reliable editor and then a graphic designer to do the thumbnails. Okay, so instead of doing that, a very good way that you can actually scale is with software. Okay, so let's say for example that you're gonna provide Instagram management services for businesses and you're gonna charge them $500 a month, and you're gonna take over all the account. Okay, and then you're just gonna make sure that they get followers on the monthly basis. So what you could do is you could actually get different softwares that could do this for you, and this is gonna be the easiest way that you're gonna be able to scale up, because software, you're not gonna need to go and recruit people. The software will do it for you and will be very scalable. So one of the softwares that I want to show you today is called socialmonk.net. Okay, and as it says here, it's your personal Instagram manager. Is much better than an Instagram bot. And then it can be terminated anytime, and it has got different prices, but you can see different packages will include different things. Okay, so you're gonna get real and active followers, and you will get likes as well, organic growth. And then just for, let's say, the pack of $20 a month, which is the best pack, you're gonna get all these features. Okay, so this way you're gonna ensure that the client is getting the results. Okay, this will be weekly, and then you can go into the monthly plan, which will be a little bit more costly. But imagine that the client is paying you $500 per month, then you're just gonna keep the difference because the software is doing it for you. Okay, so another website which I highly recommend if you're gonna be managing the social media for different clients is hotshoot.com, which is gonna allow you to get to do more on the social media in much less time. Okay, it's a great tool for any type of agency that is doing any type of growth in that could be any of the platforms, including Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, and so on. Okay, so it's very, very interesting software. You could come here, check it out, and then you just sign up. You can see the different plans as well, but as well it's gonna help you to do all the work, and it's gonna help you to organize things properly. And just think, guys, like businesses don't have time to go through all different things, so if you can provide all this for them, this is gonna be awesome. Okay, so another website which I want to show you is called flocksocial.com, which is going to allow you as well to grow your Instagram, okay, without no spam, no bots, or any fake followers. Okay, so this is actually good. You can see the testimonies here, and as well you can see how it will actually help you grow the profile. So you could just combine different softwares, and then you could even charge more money if you can get them more followers. Okay, and you can get them more traffic, because most of the business owners don't know these things. Okay, and if you keep watching until then, I'm gonna show you how you can get the traffic and everything. Okay, so you can start making money from today. So another website which I want to show you is called GoTrueSheet.co. Okay, and as well this website is great because it's gonna help you to experience massive growth on your social media platforms. You can see here, it pushes your reputation. You can get real engaged subscribers. You get a dedicated account manager. So I would advise you to come here, check it out, sign up with them, see what it has to offer for the businesses and for the type of services that you're gonna be providing. Okay, so another website which will be good, because once that if you create in your agency, you're gonna need some branding. So for people to see you, you could go to another website which is called Katra.com, and then you can it will just help you to make your online business made easy. Okay, so you're gonna be able to build your landing pages for your business, and get leads, get email marketing, and everything in one place. Okay, so this is a video. Let me show you a couple of seconds.
From email marketing to memberships, page building to automated funnels, no matter what you do, you'll have everything you need to bring your product or service to market with Kartra. Meet Kartra Pages, the all-new, all-in-one app that empowers you to create gorgeous-looking web pages. Start from scratch or choose one of our high-converting templates. It's simple.
You see, so you can watch on your own time, and basically is very good, because it's going to help you to connect it to your domain, and then you can just have your agency running right away, so it's a great way to do it. So another way that you could actually get traffic and you could get clients, but it might take you a little bit longer to build it up, it will be as well to create your YouTube channel. Okay, so on your YouTube channel, you could, all these people that are here, they actually providing tips about Instagram, so then businesses go out there and then actually contact them for them to run their businesses. Okay, so just think that this person, for example, has got 250,000 views, so imagine how many business owners are interested in growing their business. So this person here, see this lady, she's actually getting a lot of money, because he will be getting clients. Okay, and another way of doing it, which I as well recommend you, will be faster, is to start getting ads, right? So you can run ads in a platform that is called Udemy. So you can buy quality advertising today, and it's a great platform that you can start running solo ads. Okay, so it's been rated for a lot of people. You can see all the testimonies over here as well, and it's something for you to try out. If you got a little bit of budget, it will be much faster results, much faster results when you're running paid traffic. Okay, so come here, check it out, and it's a great way to start promoting your services right away and start making profit from the services that you deliver for your job servicing business. Okay, so it's a great way as well. If you can do Google ads or Facebook ads, will be good. For example, you can come to a website which is called Learn Digital with Google, and then here you're gonna get courses, free courses, so you can come and check them out. So anything that you can learn about Google ads and Facebook ads will be awesome, because if businesses if businesses see you on these ads, they're gonna contact you, because these businesses are proactively typing things on Google, searching, and then if they can find your ads, then there is a possible person that could be doing business with you. Okay, so this is all, guys, that I wanted to share for today's strategy. I hope that you take massive action. I hope that you can make a lot of profit and be very successful. And if you like videos like this, I would really appreciate that you could give me a massive like, because that will really help me to keep investing on the channel, to keep improving you for you guys, and bring you the latest content on digital marketing. Okay, so with that said, as well, if you want to make thousands of dollars online, please click on the first link on the description, because I will send you all the information to your email address. Okay, so I hope that you have a great day and a great week, and I will come very, very soon. Take care now.